Junior. Next finalist, Sam Priones, sophomore. And last, Eliza Mendoza, senior. Katuwaan lang to mga mami, ha? Among the gentlemen, we have Nico Taroy, freshman. Kim Baluyot, freshman. Glenn Mendoza, freshman. Usod dito, usod. Jonathan Batugbakan, freshman.
Hindi ko.
Glenn Perez, junior. Jeremiah Geronimo, sophomore. Vandre Uy, freshman. And Mark Del Rosario, junior. Ayan. At this point in time, let us give them a big round of applause for carrying themselves. Bukod sa lahat, maganda ang damit, but they are carrying their attire in a different manner. Kumbaga, carry nila, no? Palakpakan natin! Tama ba? Tingnan nyo naman ang attire ng mga iyan. Oh, kaganda. Give your smile naman, para masaya. Smile kayo, smile.